Welcome back everyone, Casey with CX Mods. In today's video we're going to be installing this vinyl from JetsVinyl that goes over the DRL portion of the headlight. I've already tested the install on the passenger side and ended up doing a dry install, which they recommend anyways. I know I've done a wet install on some of the other vinyls that work best for me in those situations, but these are all dry application if you prefer that method, which we're going to be doing on this. So we're going to start in the front, and since it's a long flat surface, we'll just work all the bubbles out towards the back, and then right when we get to the curve right here, we can start rolling over the edge and getting all of that put down in place. So install's not too bad, but let's get started on that. All right, so they recommend trying to go along this edge here and then start about 1/8 of an inch above or below the DRL strip. So I'm just going to try and mock it up quick. Very staticky, so it keeps wanting to fly before I'm ready. there you have it. That's the final product with the DRL vinyl install. I'm really happy with how the front end looks right now with all the tinted vinyls that we've installed. This installation wasn't as bad as I thought. I was a little intimidated after I started working with some of the other vinyls that I installed first, but it's really not too bad. Like I said, start in the front, go to the back, take your time. That's going to be the biggest thing you can do, is just have patience with it, and then not to freak out if you've got a little bubble, just to try and work it out as you go. But we also have a yellow option in these, which I might switch to down the road just for fun, and the fog lights have yellow vinyl as well that we could go with. But let us know what you think. If you guys have any questions, email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media. Thanks for watching.